Hola chicos y chicas y bienvenidos a la clase de español. Today we're going to continue to talk about el clima, the weather, like we've been talking about the past couple of weeks. So we're going to quickly review over the different words that we learned last time, and we're going to add on a couple of new words today. So primero we have sol, está soleado, nubes, está nublado, lluvia, está lloviendo, nieve, está nevando, viento, está ventoso, tormenta, está tormentoso, hace buen tiempo. It's nice weather, good weather. Hace mal tiempo. It's bad weather, gloomy weather. Hace calor. Hace frío. So, what you will be looking at in just a minute after this video ends, I want you to answer the question, ¿Qué clima hace hoy? What is the weather today? So, look outside and take a look and try to decide, ¿Qué clima hace hoy? If you need to, go back to the video and find the type of weather that it is today and share it on your Pear Deck when you do your activity later. So, for example, if I look outside my window right now, it's Thursday at 3 o'clock, and right now it's pretty rainy outside. It's drizzling just a little bit and pretty cloudy. So I could say, está lloviendo, hace mal tiempo, so it's bad weather or gloomy weather. I could even say, está nublado, it's cloudy. But probably the biggest one that I could use, I would say, está lloviendo. It's raining. So you would choose ¿Qué clima hace hoy? And you will answer that in the Pear Deck. You can do that now or you can do it later. If you choose to do it now, just make sure to pause the video, go answer that question, and then come back. Now, we're going to learn 4 new words today. The first one is huracán. Huracán is a hurricane. It looks a lot like the English word. It's just pronounced a little bit differently and spelled differently. But usually in English, I would say hurricane. I pronounce that H there. Well, in Espanol, I don't pronounce the H. The H is silent. So instead of saying huracán, I would say huracán with that emphasis on the U. The other one is tornado, tornado. It's spelled exactly the same, we just pronounce it a little bit differently. The last 2 we're looking at today is relámpagos and terremoto. Relámpagos is lightning, and terremoto is an earthquake. I'm going to go back. I'm going to say the word, and I want you to repeat after me. Huracán, tornado, relámpagos, terremoto. Muy bien, amigos. So what you're going to do now, we have looked through our new vocabulary, we've reviewed our old vocabulary. If you need to go back at any point and rewatch this video, you are welcome to do so. But so your activities for the day is to first, you're going to answer that question of ¿Qué clima hace hoy? Then you will complete a word search. So you will use the words that we've been talking about. And of course, this is the wrong slide. I will have to fix that for your actual activity. But you will find the words in the scramble and put them and find them in the word scramble here. So you'll find the word here, find it in the scramble, and then cross it out. You'll be able to use your Pear Deck for this. And of course, I have the wrong slide. So what it would look like on your end, so this is your Pear Deck. So this is slide 1, 2. So this is where you're answering ¿Qué clima hace hoy? Then, trying to get to the next one, my friends. This is the one you would look at. Now again, this is the wrong slide. I'm going to have to go back and fix it. But so you choose a color. I like to use this highlight button down here at the bottom. I would choose a color. And then I'm going to look for a word. So let's say I chose traje de baño. I look for it here, which I actually see it right here. I highlight it, and then I cross it out in my word bank so I know that I've already found it. Once you find all of the words, you will go to the final slide to complete the quizzes. So you'll click on these blue letters where it says here to go to the quizzes and play that at least one time. If you run out of time, make sure to get as far as you can to complete these activities. If you don't get to the quizzes today, that is completely fine. So again, get as far as you possibly can. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment in the stream. But so all you're doing is watching this video and completing the Pear Deck link that is in my Google Classroom where you access this video. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Adios, hasta luego.